Alright guys, new kind of mission today again. Always trying to bring something new for you guys. Today we're going to do some kayak fishing. It's a solo mission by myself. So the goal is to head out on this kayak. Not too far out because I'm by myself. See if I can catch something edible. I have a portable stove, so it's about 7 o'clock now. Give myself 2.5 hours if I can catch something for breakfast. So if we get one fish, 8 to 9 inches, we get 2 fillets, get 2 sandwiches, we're good to go. So it'll be a nice, interesting mission, heading out, solo mission on the kayak in Chagaramas. Stay tuned guys, should be cool.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Alright guys, I've never done this before. I ain't going too far. Water looking real nice and calm for now. But you never know with the ocean how it gets. So gonna paddle out just beyond where people can normally cast. And also you can look at the bottom and see. You don't want to be fishing in mud. So you're looking at the bottom constantly. And just where the stone more or less ends, that's the spot you really want to be fishing. There's some sand, then you'll get some grass. But we'll see how it goes. I said solo mission, your boy ain't going far. I have some shrimp, some Joshua, and of course some artificials. So I'll catch you when I reach out to the spot. Alright guys, we reach out all the way. Like I said, I just want to get on beyond normal casting distance from shore. I don't even think my anchor touching the bottom right. My rope run out. So that might be a little bit of a issue. We're going to throw on the artificial for a little bit first. See if we get anything. Then we go start fishing with bait. There's some people fishing on the shore as usual. Very popular spot. Just want to see what the kayak could do before I start to fish with bait. Let's see how it move, if it could stay one place. Target, lane snapper, carangas, Cavalli. Anything I catch, I take in it just. Alright guys, so the first thing we starting to fish with is some shrimp. I have a running line, Carolina rig. If you don't know what is that, I have a video showing you what it is, how to make it. This is sinker before the hook. Just target the snappers. So let's go and throw this for the side. Wow, that's some good depth here, boy. Wow. We just go and rest this one right here. On my small rod, just a banking line. Just 2 hooks on the sinker below. I'm gonna use pieces of shrimp as well. we look for nothing huge. 9-10 inches. There's the goal. So the bait don't have to be that big. Yeah, boy, right here really have some depth, boy. Wow. Nothing pulls more out of the water, making it all fresh by the time. You can all the shrimp head and thing. If I get any bites, I'll check you back. First fish on, guys. Small guy. Thought he could be the 8 inches. Whoa, good bait. Bait biting out here. But he going out live. If it had bait around, you never know what else it could have. So we will try him live for a little bit. Hook might be a little small, but through the nose. Swimming relevant. Find a big fish now, man. First decent fish here, guys. This could be the one for breakfast. Hopefully stays on. What is it, man? You're not taking any kind of drag. There's nothing, it's not a bait. Oh yes, we have a salmon and an eel. So we gotta shake this eel off. Nice. Are you watching? Are you watching? Hey, go your way, brother. Don't come back and bite me. Alright, guys. And we have our breakfast. Hopefully it's still in the boat. Pan salmon. Didn't expect to catch this. Now I do have a stringer, but for only one fish we got play many bucket for now. Salmon, he's about 8 inches. Breakfast. Problem today is my anchor rope too short, guys. I couldn't go out anymore. Even right now, I'm not even touching, so the boat not even steady. So that's the biggest challenge. Might even have to go back in a little shallower. But we're trying out here a little bit more because we get that salmon. So there is life around. Just get next bite on the small rod, guys. Just touch it and look it. Fish on. Feeling a little better. Whoa. There's a little bachine. Oh yes. Oh yes. More food. A little small. We have one for breakfast already, so we gonna let this guy go. Here he goes to the depths. Nice. Guys, I do like to eat bachine. Like I was a little small. He couldn't believe he get released. He just stood there. He just like stopped there for a little while before he swam off. I get one a little bigger than that. We go keep him. And now see a cutlass fish swimming below the water here too. Forget one of that, you know a coconut. Love a cutlass. Alright guys, guess got another bite on the little small rod here. See some bait in the water here next to me. Fish on. Whoa, fighting, swimming like a Bachine again though. Like I gotta cook a Bachine today, boy. Real swimming, yeah boy. Bachine. Whoa! You gonna get released, but if you guys saw that on camera and he gone there. What the? Alright guys, I hope you saw that crazy piece of action that Bachine literally jumped from here straight over the boat and back into the water. Now a trick with Bachine, if that's wrong, is to keep your line suspended. Now they are notorious hook biter offers, so there's a chance you have to take if you're not fishing with wire. So you touch the bottom there, making 1, 2, 3, 4, and leaving your line just above the bottom. See if you can pick up one with the handline. I've seen a big school of bait over there, so I'll make some casts in it. I can't take it already, guys. Oh, we took out the bait. Well, you can see the bite mark on it, guys. So that would have been a classic Bachine, but a small is the only thing. Let's try that again. I'm definitely a newbie to kayak fishing, guys, but one trick I could say is always try to keep your stuff as organized as possible. I mean, like your knife and thing, to have it open because it's in close proximity to your leg. And come fish, bye back there. Okay, now bite any suspended line here, guys. What I could try out is a floating line. That might make it even better. So if I ever catch them with this one, I will change this line to a floating line. I mean, you know why I have my wire, but actually in the car. Scale down my tackle to come out. Whoa, look at bait there, wow. You guys can see that under the water. They might take my line. As suspected. Rise on top of the water there. That wasn't a bait, that was a good bite. Take it. Wow, how did that fish get away? That was a good bite, boy. Fish is on. Wow, smallest Bachine I've ever caught for sure. He looking like a real, them others I catch look like a monster compared to him. Swim down. Whatever I use you for bait. That couldn't be the same bite I get. Alright guys, getting some monster rollers right now. I don't know where it come from, if it's from the Spirit or some big ship pass outside it, but some big waves. Your boy a little scared, but hopefully it passes. In the meantime, I did take out the sinker from the running line, so it's just a floating line now. I see if I could get something with Bachine around. Some big rollers, but it had to be the Spirit or some kind of thing. So hopefully the hook doesn't get bitten off. That's the one thing, like I said, Bachine normally you can use a piece of wire. My wire is in the car. So that goes zzz, zzz. For sure about half an hour again. You can see her drifting, drifting, drifting. Some small nibbles on your small rod, guys. Small, small. Hope it'll turn into big, big. And grow a bit. Swimming again. I'm not gonna cook one of these Bachine, guy. I have enough. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come out from under the boat. Oh no, there's a nice little Corocro Racando. Nice fella, guys. Wow. 9 or 40. We have more food now, more food. Nice. He actually pulled kind of that way. I think I got a puhi. Okay, guys, so next draw after the crocro, the racando. Now get a next little nice little bite on the rod. Whoa. On the floating line, guys. Come fish, come fish. Whoa, it's a big Bachine, but he on the anchor rope. Madness. 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 Guys, look at his eyes at this bitch. What the hell? Chaos here right now. Wow, look, he spit back out the bait. Wow, 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 wow. Have him at that dead grip here. Wow. Now he cannot fit in my bucket, but I have to kill him because he is too wild. So tune away, guys. That is a nice Bachine, guys. I tell you, have a little trick to catching every fish. And a little bit of chaos here, but we decided to take our time and we're gonna sort out our business. Put your rod in your rod holder is the first thing. Oh yes, this is a fish, boy. Give him a little wash. Check out our Bachine, guys. 9, 18, 24 inches. That is to eat. I used to carry home and eat. Find something to be under my foot. Every fish has a trick to catch it, guys. Every fish. I'm gonna switch that to the floating line just to target those Bachine. Guys, in the madness of all the Bachine catching, I have another one on my rod. You kind of stick up in the anchor rope. Small one. Oh no, don't go in my next line here, guys. That is chaos. And a El Gato. You go. Come fellas, catch back all yourself. Like there was on the line for a little while. Swim with catfish going. Come beach, you can do it. Kick down, kick down. Yes, he kicking up, he kicking up. I told him, remember the line was getting bite before I get the big bachine. And well, apparently they catch themself and I was swimming down there on the line all the time. So I could have a little bachine school in this area. Guys, I just pick up the artificial to make a few throws on the small rod. Kick off again. What's that coming up there, boy? Oh, the old jammet. You kick off the small rod, boy. Don't want you. Not to cook, not for bait. Okay guys, so this is just about my last throw. About 2.5 hours out on the water. Pretty good. Caught much 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 bachine, racando, salmon, catfish, jammet. So pretty decent trip out. I mean, I had the issue, anchor rope is just not long enough. I think I need to anchor to get the reds. Because right now we kind of keep on slow drifting, but the line are really going to settle. Now we're going to make a chum. So that's why I might get you a red bite. So I'd say overall pretty cool. So I'm fishing on this last 2 baits here, then I'm going to head back to shore. I'm going to make a little breakfast. I'm starving right now. Just about 9:30 thereabouts. We'll do this again for sure. So if I catch the next fish, you'll see it. If not, next thing you'll see me is on the shore. Fish on. Whoa! Last fish today could be a good one, guys. Last fish today could be a good one. Oh, dogging a little bit. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. I doubt this is a bachine. On my next line. Way, what an anticlimax. Old Katos boy. Brother, you're wicked. For that, guys, we gotta go back down one more time. Just for that. I have one more piece of bait here. We'll go back one more time. Give me a little kick down. I say that could have been the reds there, boy. The only problem is them fellas don't be alone. So wait, I have one. Just usually have a couple more. I don't want to bounce up. Alright, so officially second time last drop. Can find some fish here, guys. We hoping it's not catfish. Other than about to go, yes, find the most fish here. Whoa! Whoa! Please don't be a catfish. Don't be a catfish. Whoa! Best fish on the small rod for the day. Wow, taking drag. Wow. What is it? Do not come off. Wow. Sun going, so I can't even see below the water right now. This had to be a reds, guys. Oh, looking like a rocky. Nice size rocky. Wow. Big rocky. Oh, he fall off, boy. Damn it. So that means third last drop. Nice big rocky, boy. Real fight, boy. He deserved to get away, I guess. He hit the side of the kayak as I go to lift him. My battery just about almost dead here too, guys, so not sure you can see this last fish if we get one or not. That was a nice Rakando, boy. That'll be our next broth for the wife there, but come fish. You had 2 minutes to bite my line. Easy to the last drop. Nice Rocky, boy. Hooked on another decent fish here, guys, and the last drops of the day. Why is always be like that? This one not taking as much drag, but it's feeling nice. Oh, you know, try to get some drag there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh no, the one I catch is the catfish. Brother, what are you doing with that for? See, different areas have different types of fish hanging around. Like now here's the Rocky and the catfish spot. So you'll get a lot more bites. Alright guys, so just paddling back in now. Should take me about, say, 5-10 minutes. And then I'll catch you on shore. We'll see. Breakfast time. I'm hungry. Alright guys, so we're back on shore. Have the fish to cook. Catch a nice bachine, nice crow, and a little salmon we're going to cook up. Fishing was pretty successful, I must say, first time going out. 4 or 5 bachine, nice Rakando, next one getaway, a real nice bachine, and the salmon and a couple other small fish. So I'm hungry. 9:30, I was there for about 2.5 hours. Need to cook my fish. So the simple idea today is a fish sandwich, and the bread, some tomato, secret sauce, ketchup, piece of cheese. I'm gonna fillet that fish and cook it up. Alright guys, pretty small guy, so no special fillet technique required. Trying to get on to the fillet bone. Alright guys, so those are left with 2 pieces of fish, just enough for the sandwich, I guess. Fish was about 7-8 inches. For him to use for the rest of the sea. So I have 2 fillets, guys. Let's go and season with some JGM all-purpose seasoning. Not too much. Has salt in it already. I'll toss around in that. Skin side as well. Right. One thing I forgot to do is make some slits in his skin so it doesn't curl up as much. A trick when you're cooking fish, guys. So I scaled it, fillet, that's it. Healthy piece of butter. Skin side down first. So one fish, guys, about 7-8 inches could feed me comfortably with a sandwich. And I put the other stuff in it, the sandwich will be pretty good in the end. So we'll wait and see. Shouldn't take long to cook at all. I do have the bachine and the Rakando too. I could have cooked that as well, but it's just me. So no need to cook all that. The fish is turning white, it's just about that time to flip. Skin so soft on the salmon. That fish is more or less done there, guys. Just giving the bread a little heat up, toast up. A piece of cheese. switch off the stove. Now I think you can switch it to the plate. Some tomato. Tomato is good for you. Lime, of course, supposed to go on the fish. Healthy portion of lime. Some secret sauce. Garlic sauce. It's not Trini kitchen cook if we do have with pepper sauce. Actually buy this to go away, guys, but work good for the kitchen cooks. Small to carry around. Not everybody's a fan of sweet pepper, but I love sweet pepper. I think that's a great sandwich there. Alright guys, so that's a quick kitchen cook there. Small salmon, enough to make one sandwich for your boy. Solo mission today, so that's all we need. Now I do have the bachine and the croaker, I could have put that as well. But keep it small because it's the first edible fish I caught. So let me make use of him. Normally I'll trim back. Want to make sure I get the kitchen cook done. Alright, tasting good. One fish, just enough for me. Great fresh sandwich. So thanks for watching, guys. This was a all new kind of fishing episode. Kitchen cook from the kayak. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm always trying to bring new stuff for you. Most important for me is to keep the channel fresh and keep the stuff going, new stuff for you guys to see. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed the trip out, fishing on the kayak, and also that sandwich. Oh my gosh, that's lady croaker now. But it's about time to go home. So as always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Keep fishing, try new things, always get in the outdoors. Fish on. Nice, I hope on your flyers, guys.